So today I'm going to quickly show you how to use operators in JavaScript. So operators are of basically 6 types. You have the arithmetic operators, which are basically the addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, or what you refer to as raised to the power, division, modulus, that's what's remaining after division, then increment and decrement. Okay. Then you have the assignment operators. So assignment operators are what you use to kind of assign variables or reassign a variable. So you have the equal to basically. So equal to can be what's it called? Some of these arithmetic operators can be merged with the assignment operators to give you kind of unique feelings. We're going to look at that. Then you have the bitwise operators. I'm not going to go into this because it's quite mathematical and you won't be using it most of the time. Then you have the comparison operators. So just from the name, you can use comparison operators to kind of do a comparison between two variables or two data types. Then you have the logical operators, so logical or, logical and then logical not. And then finally we have the type operators. So let's quickly dive into this. So for the addition operators, basically, you can use addition for numbers and strings. So these can be used on numbers and strings. So how can you use it? So you first of all assign a variable. So let's say we have two variables. Let number 1 be equal to 9 and let number 2 be equal to 5. So you can say you can call the sum of both of them. So we say sum be equal to number 1 plus number 2. Right? So basically what we've done here, we've added number 1 and number 2. So if you do a console.log of sum, you're going to get 14. Basically, you can see that the answer is beside you. So what I can quickly do is turn on quicker on this particular file. Okay, so you see the answer there, 14. So basically that's sum coordinate is, you understand what sum is. One other thing to know, you can use it on string as well. So if I say let first name be equal to John, let last name be equal to Bill, then I'll say let full name be equal to first name plus last name. So what will happen if I console.log full name? Okay, as you can see that console.log full name. Okay, so you can see that the response will be John Doe. That's a concatenation. This is referred to as concatenation. Concatenation. Okay, concatenation of these two strings with that plus sign. So concatenation can only be done with the plus sign actually. Okay, you cannot do it with the subtraction sign either of that or strings. So we also notice that we have first name and last name, but there are no spaces between them. So if we want a space between them, we can add our space by concatenating an empty string. And so we can concatenate an empty string there, showing the space. So you can also see that there's a space between our final answer there. Does this make sense? I hope it does. So basically you can do the same thing for all these other ones. So you can copy this, basically copy this for subtraction. You can call this number 3 and number 4, number 3 and number 4. So let's see how easy it is. So let's subtraction equals number 3 and number 4. Nice. So when you subtract number 3 from number 4, you should basically get our answer there. Right, so I think this should give you a better idea of how to do this. So I think it should basically. Right, so division works the same way, multiplication works the same way, exponentiation is the same way. So if I do an exponentiation of 5, so this should now be basically 5 is power of 2, which is 5 times 5, 25, right? So this basically should be 25, and then we have 9 minus 25 to give us minus 16, negative 16, which is correct here. Now if you look at modulus, division remainder, so if we have let number 5 equal to 9, and let number 6 equal to 5, and so and we do like let the model be number 5, modulo number 6, all the get when we console the log the mod. Yeah. So get 4. So if we do 9 divided by 5, all we left 4. The increments. So for this increment, you can do increments. You can say number 5 plus plus. Yeah. And let's console the log that. So the log number 5 plus plus. Yeah. So we get 9. Okay. We get 9. Oh, sorry, let me just do it here before I assign it into a variable. So I'll say const. So let's increment be equal to number 5 plus plus. So console log increments. Okay. So increment is 9. But when I now try to do when I want to use 9, that's number 5 in the next line. So number 5 is 10. So what this plus plus does is it actually adds 1 to it, but it only adds 1 the next time number 5 is going to be used. It has already been increased, yes, but it will only be the increment will be affected the next time that number is being used. So if I change this to let's increment 2 equal to plus plus number 5, and I console the log plus plus number 5, so I get 10. Right, so we have number 5, let this be number 6. Okay, so number 6 was prior to that, number 6 was 5, but now it's 6. So I hope you understand how these things flow. And it's not for science, it's very easy. Decrement will work the same way as well. This already gets into log, so we pause this here and then go on to the next one, which is assignment operators in the next video.